Welcome to Daily English Grab, my dear friends. It is so wonderful to see you here today. My name is Mia, and I am very happy you are spending time with me. Today, we are going to talk about something that means the world to me, my family at home. Family is our safe place. They are the people we love and the people who give us love. In this lesson, I will introduce you to everyone in my house. I will share their names, what they do, and some sweet little details about them. You will learn new words so you can talk about your own family too. Learning a new language is a beautiful journey, and we are on it together. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen carefully and repeat the sentences after me. Step by step, your English will grow. So, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let me share my family's story with you. Let's begin. Let's start with my father. His name is James, and he is 40 years old. My dad goes to an office for work, but in our house, he is Mr. Fix-It. He can repair almost anything, from a leaking sink to my broken bike. He is also the funniest person I know. When we sit down for dinner, he tells silly stories that make us all laugh out loud. He really loves spending his weekends outdoors with us. Next is my mother. Her name is Emma, and she is 38 years old. She has a very warm and gentle heart. Even when she is super busy, she always wears a smile. She loves cooking for us, and her homemade pizza is everyone's favorite. When I walk through the door, she always says, "How was your day?" She sits with me, listens carefully, and helps me with my problems. Her warm hugs are the best feeling in the world. I also want you to meet my brother. His name is Ethan, and he is 13 years old. He is in middle school. He plays football for his school team, and they are very good. His team even wins big trophies. At home, he gets very excited and loud when he plays video games, but we always laugh about it. Ethan has a very kind heart. Even though he is younger, he acts like a big brother and always protects me. Finally, this is my little sister, Katie. She is 8 years old. She is small, but she is very smart. Katie loves reading books about magic and adventures. She is also a wonderful artist. She uses bright colors to draw beautiful pictures of our family. Katie is very curious and asks lots of questions about everything. She is very loving and always surprises us with small, sweet gifts. As you can see, we are all very different, but that makes our family perfect. Our house is always full of love and warmth. Now, I will share what our daily life is like. Every evening, we all sit down to eat together. My mom cooks amazing dishes for us, and we all sit around the table. We share stories about our friends, school, and work. Sometimes my dad tells a joke, and we laugh so hard that our dinner gets cold. Weekends are our favorite time. We relax together. We love having movie nights. We turn off the lights, share a big bowl of popcorn, and watch a good film. We also love playing board games. Ethan is very good at games and wins a lot. Katie crosses her arms and looks angry, but it is just a funny game she plays. We also enjoy the outdoors. When the weather is nice, we go outside. In spring, we take long walks in the park. We love walking in the fresh spring air. In the summertime, we bring yummy food in a basket and have a picnic under the blue sky. Even on busy days, we always make time for family. When we are together, our home is the happiest and safest place in the world. Now, let's take a tour of our house. It is not very big, but it is very comfortable and full of happiness. You can feel the love as soon as you walk through the door. When you open the front door, you see our living room. We have a large, comfortable couch where we sit at night. There is a coffee table in the center with a nice vase of flowers, and the large window lets in beautiful sunlight. You can see pictures of our family holidays on the walls. Right next to it is the kitchen. It is small, but it is my mom's favorite place to cook. It always smells delicious. We sit at the round table in the corner to eat breakfast. You can see plates, cups, and jars of spices on the shelves. Our house has 4 bedrooms. My parents' room is very clean and simple. They have a big bed and a soft lamp for reading. Ethan has his own room too. He has football posters on the walls and trophies on his shelves. His desk is full of homework and sports magazines. Katie's bedroom is very colorful. She loves to tape her new drawings to the wall and keeps her toys on a shelf. Finally, there is my room. My room is small, but it is my favorite place. I have a comfortable bed, a desk for studying, and lots of my favorite books. I love reading books in my cozy bed at night. We all share one bathroom. We have to be fast in the morning, so no one is late for work and school. Our home is simple, but it is filled with love and laughter. After a long day, it is the best place to relax, make memories, and be together. It is truly the heart of our family. So, my dear friends, you have met my family and visited my home. They are the people who mean the world to me, and my house is the place where I feel most relaxed and happy. It is not a large home, but it is full of joy and care. Now, it is your turn. I would love to hear your story. Can you tell me about your family? Who do you live with? And what do you like to do together? Use the new vocabulary from today's lesson to tell me your own story. For example, you could say, "My family is very funny," or "We like to play games on the weekend." Do not worry if you make mistakes. Learning a language is a big step, and you are doing a wonderful job. The most important thing is that you keep trying. If you can, write a few sentences about your family in the comments below or speak them out loud today. Practice is the key to confidence. I am so proud of you for learning with me. Your story is unique and special, and the world is waiting to hear it. Thank you for your time today. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep sharing your beautiful stories. Stay tuned for our next episode.